Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for February 1st to the 8th, February 1st to the 5th. The pattern will feature strong positive height anomalies here north of Alaska, a ridge be in the west. And we have an upper low here of Hudson Bay with a trough extending into eastern U.S. And right now the GFS showing positive height, very weak positive height anomalies here, but the models are indicating below normal heights over Greenland with a strong area of positive height anomalies to the east. So you're looking at the GFS and we go through each day and you start seeing like this area of negative height anomalies starts building across Greenland. But you see our pattern here has a broad cyclonic flow across much of the nation. So we're at the 5th now, and then we look at the rest of the models. They're in fairly good agreement. During this period, we expect a series of Pacific systems to impact the west with heavy precipitation, especially the northern Rockies. Increased Gulf moisture will produce precipitation along and ahead of a cold front in the east central states. Enough cold air should be in place to the north to support snow. During light snow is forecast across central states and the Great Lakes due to a clipper system, and then expect an increasing area of rain from the Gulf Coast into the east later in the period. February 4th to the 8th. Here we are at the 6th. The pattern doesn't change very much. So we start seeing this ridge starts building kind of northward and into the west. And here we are at the 8th. We see the models in pretty good agreement with this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, with the anomalies 8 degrees or more above normal, and we have below normal temperatures for the east central states, with the anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation for this region here. And the probability of occurrence is 40 to 55%, and we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 40 to 55%. Now we're going to look at the period for February 4th to the 8th. That's a mistake here. It's supposed to be for the 13th. For the 9th to the 13th, so I gotta make a correction there, but we're generally seeing like above normal heights here, below normal heights across Hudson Bay into the east, and we still see this upper trough starts, or this upper low starts building across Greenland, but we still have our positive height anomalies across the northwest Atlantic. And if you notice, we go to the 13th, well, we're at the 12th, we see very little change in the overall circulation, maybe just like the amplification of the trough here. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here with anomalies at 8 degrees or more above normal, and we have below normal temperatures for this region here extending into the east with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 40 to 55%. Above normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 40 to 55%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for February 1st to the 13th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.